Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer ETH from Binance to Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world constantly evolving, securing your assets is more important than ever. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your Ethereum safely in no time. First off, why do this? Moving your ETH to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X keeps it offline and protected from online hacks. Let's dive in. Before we start, make sure you have a verified Binance account and your Ledger Nano X set up with the Ethereum app installed. If not, take a moment to handle that. It's crucial for security. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and head to the Wallet section. Locate your ETH balance to see what you're working with. Step 2. Click on Withdraw and select Ethereum from the list. This is where the magic happens, but double-check everything to avoid mistakes. Step 3. On your Ledger Nano X, open the Ethereum app. Your device will display your wallet address. Write it down or keep it visible. Always verify this address twice to prevent any send to wrong place errors. Step 4. Back on Binance, paste your Ledger's ETH address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and ensure the network is set to Ethereum mainnet. In 2025, with potential new updates, always confirm fees are reasonable before proceeding. Step 5. Review the details one last time, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email, and the transfer might take a few minutes depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, check your Ledger Nano X to see your ETH has arrived. For added peace of mind, use a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to verify the transaction. A quick tip. In 2025, be aware of any new regulations or Binance updates that might affect withdrawals. Always prioritize security over speed, never rush these steps. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more guides. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.